Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to use this Jetboil 1 liter flash cooking system. So this uses, you will need a Jetboil jet power. This is an isobutane propane fuel mix. So the nice thing about this is it heats your water up really fast, but it's great for travel or camping because everything stores inside it right here. So I'm first going to talk about it, then we're actually going to go outside because this is for outside use only. We're going to see how fast it heats water. So it's got this lid. You can use the lid. You can also drink out of it if you'd like. There's the coating on the inside. Now it does have a line on the inside, max safe fill 2 cups. It has this insulating jacket on the outside, and this changes color with the temperature. A little handle strap here. So this is what you're going to screw onto this propane tank. And then this is a little valve. You're going to control the flame with this by turning it clockwise or counterclockwise, and it has a little lighter. This comes off, just gone there really quick. There's the Peasold lighter. So when you press this button, there'll be a little spark that jumps across there. There's where the propane's going to come out, and you can light it. So underneath here, this is where the flame is going to reach. Now they call this the flux ring. The flux ring. And there is a reminder on here that you're going to light the flame. So you're going to screw it on here. You're going to light the flame before you attach this. And this is very simple. It's got these little grooves, these little ears. You're just going to push it in. It doesn't take much, and turn it a little bit. That just kind of holds it in there. So again, light your flame before you attach this. Everything is very lightweight too. It does come with this little nice sticker. And it also comes with this stabilizer ring. So this is folded up. You can store it inside there, but you're going to unfold it. This is for putting the fuel on, because this is what's going to stabilize your fuel. And I love that it's got these little gripper feet on there. So now your fuel, and when this is on there, it's all nice and stable. Okay, so let's show you how to store everything. Everything's going to be very cold, but you're going to put this in here first. Store that up first. Put it in. It sits in there in the bottom. Next, you're going to get the flame. So this is the burner. So you're going to want to store this ring here. It's going to store right there. Then it wants you to put this in upside down like this. Fits in there just like that. Now you can put a smaller fuel cell in here, but we're going to put this on. And there is this nice little cap for the bottom. This is very easy for storing. When it's all stored up, you're looking at 7 inches. And diameter, you're looking at about 4, almost 4 1/4. A little under 4 down here. Okay, so let's set it up. Very easy. Take this off. Take this off. Pull this out. Make sure you take this out. So I've got the stabilizer on the fuel can. It just snaps on there. It does have a different spot if you have a smaller fuel cell. And you're going to, this has threads. We're going to make sure, take this out. That's our on-off valve. Now I like to make sure that it's to the left is more flame, to the right is off. So I want to make sure you turn it off. Now don't over tighten this. This is very sensitive here, so just make sure it's off. And then this is sticking out. Then you're going to take and you're going to screw this on here. There, just kind of until it bottoms out. Okay, so I'm outside. I'm going to turn the gas on. And again, be careful. It comes out quick. Okay, so the gas is going. Okay, so that's a pretty big flame, so be careful. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Now I'm going to put the water on again and just kind of turn it, and let's start our stopwatch. Now you can boil it with this the lid on, but I'm going to leave the lid off just to show you. 25 seconds. Now you do get quite a bit of heat coming around here, so. Now, if I want it to go a little quicker, I can open this up and I can really get that flame going. And you know, it's not super windy out. It's doing a really good job. There is some wind though. So I'm already starting to get some bubbles on the bottom, 1:40. Yeah, this thing's extremely fast. So 2 minutes. Water is really boiling good now. Yeah, it's probably best to leave the lid on because it does splatter and that's really hot water. Okay, so let's turn it off. Now I did notice that, see how that changed color? That's to let you know that it's hot. Okay, so you're going to be careful. This is kind of hot here. You can kind of hold it here a little bit. I kind of like to hold the fuel tank, and you're going to rotate it so that you can lift it off. Now you've got your hot water. Again, be very careful with this. So this is just a great way to make some soup or some coffee in the morning when you're camping. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.